Okay, check out this location. Now, I do have a couple of issues with the Meteor 65. I've lost the main aerial, so I literally can't fly like, I don't know, 20 meters away. I'm not sure. I'm assuming it's still okay to fly it like this. I have ordered a new aerial, so I am limited there, but I wanted to have a rip around this park and fly it with the Nimble 65 as well, because my Air 65, one of the motors isn't working. So I'm down to the Nimble 65 and then this Meteor 65 with the cool camera, but the crappy range because it's lost its aerial. But as you can see, it's pretty cool location. So I'm still in the UK for a couple more days. Yeah, starting to lose a little bit there. Oh, we're down. And back. Yeah, because look, as you can see, the aerial that should be attached to this point has come off and would normally poke through there. So it's lost somewhere. But this is flying nice. So let's do a couple more batteries with this. Nelly. Oh, shit. Okay, so that was the Meteor 65. Let's fire up the Nimble 65, which obviously it's not going to look so good, but it's going to rip much faster. The camera is loose, I don't have the screws for it, so it's just wiggling around in there, which makes it even worse. We've got nice pink props on though, so bonus points for that. Got the Lava, the Beta FPV Lava batteries as well. I've ordered some new ones since I've been here. They go into the battery holder so much easier. Jesus, that sounds horrible, doesn't it? Yeah, the frame is cracked and rubbing on the props, or the props are rubbing on the frame. I like.
Telemetry lost.
Okay, we're still in angle mode. Why are we in angle mode? Okay, we're in here. Yeah, that camera angle is terrible. Like it's basically unflyable, but this would be so fun. Look how fast it's going. Okay, so this isn't flyable, but you can tell the speed difference with the weight. Yeah, I can't basically see anything, but this is so fun to fly. To try and prop that camera up more, then it'll be okay actually. If I can get this camera to stay up, so I've got no screws in there, they've come out and I can't get any screws to fit that I have with me. So let's just try and fix that so it doesn't move and see what happens there. It's got a crazy camera angle on it now. No, that camera's moving, but so fun. It was so fun, so I just put it in the bush. So unfortunately that's not going to work. That camera is just too wobbly and this frame is catching too much. So let's go back to Meteor for the last couple of batteries. Okay, so I'm going to do the last couple of batteries with this. Normal deal, let me know if you've got any questions down below. I will be back in Australia end of next week. So I'll be back to filming my usual videos, my longer videos, the Avata, the Neo, and continuing my journey with all the whoops. I have got a 75 coming, not an 804, but analog. But I will be getting more 04 units, I think. That's the plan. Let me know if you have any questions. Let me know if you have any requests. Let me know if you have any advice. Speak to you guys in the next one.